Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, please check out my videos, and if you do like it, please subscribe. And if you are already my subscribers, welcome back guys. I appreciate you. So today, if you look over here, you notice that my Tacoma is pretty empty. And the reason why it's empty is because I got a delivery the other day, or actually yesterday, of something pretty cool. That guy. So this thing is called DECKED. DECKED's bed storage that's been in demand for a long time for the Tacomas, and I decided to go ahead and jump on board after getting some reviews and meeting some people. I met Cody from trailchasers.net. Him and Matt, they do these podcasts, and he happened to have a deck system on his second gen Taco, and I was just talking to him to get more input, and he kind of sold me on it. So shout out to you, Cody and Matt of trailchasers.net. So anyways, I will be working on installing this little by little, and hopefully I won't have any obstacles. And my plan is to talk about what I like and I don't like about it. So stand by and wish me luck. Alright, well, I hate doing it. You know I hate doing it, but it is daylight savings tomorrow and it's dark now. And it was just too hot for me to work on it in the daytime.
And then it gets dark like 5 o'clock.
That's right. So I got Jesse with me as my helper. He's going to be the one going inside the truck because he likes to reach in and use the nuts and bolts and do those kind of things. I'll be on the outside doing everything else. I'm hoping it's going to be done tonight. I'm hoping. So hopefully we can knock that out and not be out here too late or have to continue tomorrow. Alright, so let's see how this works. What I'm doing here is with the deck system, they're saying that you have to either not use this or make an extension to stick in here so that way it comes out here because the deck part is in the way. Or the other thing that I saw somebody do is actually bring this out over here. I'm gonna pop this connector out, and he brought it out over here and made like a bracket. You have the honors of cutting the deck open.
Yeah. You can cut the black thing.
Yep, anywhere you want.
It's so big and
it is big, right?
it's awesome.
Remove plastic drop-in bed liners. Interferes with spray and blah. No power tools. Center system must be center over center rib or trough of bed. Do not drill unless you want to. Water, air, blah 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 blah.
I got everything open here.
All right.
I have to see what. It's like.
Get that paper. Get that piece of paper. So there's a checklist of everything. So whoever this is, if you miss something, I got your number, sir. All right, Jesse. These are the parts, the hardware.
Yeah, I'm not happy with that
box.
Daddy, here's the instructions.
That's what we definitely need.
Okay, so it comes with the instructions, and there's a little sticker too. It comes with the bolts and the cover. Yeah.
This paper is really thick. It's not going to blow by the wind. It's super thick. It's not in Chinese. Just kidding. Marking pen, center of bed. Let's see. Trying to mark the center of the bed. Thank you.
What?
There's two short ones, A and B. Okay.
Plus there's long one. I know that you like gold.
One bolt flange nut. Passenger side uses a washer. Cab side does not. That's weird.
Yeah.
Alright, so I gotta drill this guy to get this one in. That's, wow, that was a lot of hole.
Now it's faster. When we're done with this, we have to use a vacuum.
Alright.
Now it's faster.
Is it tightening?
Yeah. Going
So
high.
which one? Center work. So this has got to be this one.
Yeah.
Yep. So we need
looks like we need 4.
see how tight I can get it.
If it's
I
tight.
think you have enough room for a socket, yeah.
Yeah, can I tighten it now?
Yeah, but we're not gonna tighten super tight until we go all the way around.
Or does it do both at the same time?
It says loose. You could do it at the same time, but do it loose. Can you see?
Ready?
Yeah. Line it up. You might have to.
I'm lining up with the holes that I'm lining.
I see why. I see why you gotta line it up now real quick. And I'll break it through a little bit because there's plastic pieces.
I'm removing the plastic. Is Ari just making it tighter?
Hold on, wait.
Ari just making it tighter for that? If we finish it ready, we can go.
I don't think we're finished. We don't have anything else to drink? This is where those just.
This one was the nut.
What was it?
It was a 716.
Move it to the left. There we go.
Oops, I need help.
Okay.
I need help.
I think I got stuck.
There we go. It's in now.
Instructions say, make sure this line matches your center line right here. Adjust capside against bed. Then we gotta drill holes. Just make sure they might pop out right now.
The middle one popped out.
Push the middle one through a little bit.
Can I push it?
Yeah, push it. Oh, hold it. Just hold it. Yep.
To the same thing that it was.
Okay, hold it.
Which one?
That's good.
It's good?
Yep. So it looks like it goes like that, right?
How many? There's 4 bolts. There's only 4 bolts. I'm just doing it with hand first, Dad. Daddy, I'm just doing both of them.
Well, we'll tighten the back one as soon as we put this in.
Yeah, we'll tighten the thing right there. I don't know if we have room to mount the surf thing.
Huh?
I'm gonna go on the right. I think we're done. Dad, if we're open.
So let me try to get in there with my fat body. Oh! There's the hard part.
Yeah, you're charging your phone now.
Lucky there's room for me a little bit.
Yeah, but you have room. Do you want the bolts? No, because I'm on. Because I want to do the bolt. Are you checking if they're aligned?
Yeah, these are actually pretty good.
For
The rubber ones? You need more rubber ones? 4 of them? You got them or no?
I need it by hand.
That's what I'm doing. I know you're excited, but you can just... You're helping me very well, Justin.
I got this in, Dad.
Good job. Oh, this one slipped in easier, Jesse. Okay,
Still spins.
but do you make it tight or what?
I mean, it's
Are you sure it's tight enough?
Yeah, it was snug.
Bring it in. Give it to me. I put a block on it. This is the harder part.
What should be first?
You're so smart. Plus, you got small hands.
Plus, I know how to do stuff.
You do. Put the weather stripping on the rubber.
Yeah, please.
There's a smaller one. And it says the rubber has to be, look at the picture. The rubber goes on the inside, the pointy part.
Yeah, it goes like this. Push. Yeah. That was a pretty loud sound. I need light. I'm trying to find which this go in the hole.
There it goes, huh? Yep. Now get the other one. Alright, so it is a little bit after midnight, right, Jesse?
Yeah, and then it's like a little midnight now.
Yeah, and you did a good job, right?
Yeah.
Did you help your dad?
Yeah, I just didn't finish it until tomorrow.
Yeah, but we have a couple things we have to finish.
Yeah, tomorrow.
But if you look here, we have to drill these parts to get that plate on. You really don't need that plate. That plate's actually for looks and maybe to hold that. So if I want to, I don't even need that plate, honestly. I could do it later. But that sucker's in. You know?
Yeah, you can just open it.
You want to show them?
Yeah, open it. For this one, you can close it. For this one, you have to slam it.
Yeah, a little bit.
You slam it, close.
So, Jesse, you really did a good job. I want to say thank you very much. If you didn't help Dad, I'd be in trouble. All right, thank you, Jesse. What are you going to say? Peace out.
Peace out.
All right, so one of the main things that I find really important, I always like to support an American company, and DECKED is an American company. Their actual materials for the deck plastic and the frame is actually recycled as well. A few more benefits of the system is that it can withstand 2,000 pounds over there, and each drawer can handle 200 pounds each. Again, this is 200 pounds each. I will go over all the accessories in my next video, so stay tuned about that. It's a little tall, but at the same time, being tall, it helps add more things inside. What I like about the drawers, the material is tough, pretty sturdy. Go ahead and push these closed. You can see there, Jesse just pushed them in without much effort. The sturdiness of it, the ease of opening and closing. The flat area is nice. So if I needed to load stuff, I just went to Home Depot yesterday for Black Friday, and it filled up here nicely, so that's good. Usually there's a hump in the way, so it's above the hump. So there's the advantage, disadvantage. Luckily here I have my Highliner snug top hard shell, so it gives more headroom for me to crawl in there. It wasn't too tight. Few things that you have to be aware of. As I said earlier in the video, if you want access to it, you're either going to have to modify this, put an extension cord in here and have it stick out here before you assemble this, or leave it out like I did. And again, I will probably make a little bracket here and sticky tape it right there. But I kind of like this position because the door's there, it's still sealed, so I'll probably keep it there. I really dig these ammo cans. I can put stuff in it and it's pretty accessible, but really tough. Things I don't like as much, but it makes sense. We can't open the drawer fully because of the design. I mean, some of the wood ones can go out fully, so you have some accessibility issues. Not too bad, but they do exist. It's not too deep in here. So do I like it? Yes, I do like it. It has little caveats, but I think overall it's a good product. It's actually the lowest price production storage you can get for Tacoma. I like the ideas that they do free delivery. Now I noticed that they changed their pricing for the accessories to $15 flat rate anywhere in the United States. So that's pretty big, because some of those parts, they're pretty bulky and definitely cost more than 15 bucks. If you have any questions or concerns, please post below. My next video about the deck system, I'll be going over all the accessories. I literally bought every single deck accessory except one, because that was the one rail that I couldn't use because I bought another rail. So again, I'll be going over the benefits of the decked accessories in my next video. Thanks for watching again. Peace out.